Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Larry with the Best Credit Repair Channel. Today, we're going to be talking about 7 tools that you can put on your credit report to help boost your credit score. These tools are for mainly for people who are having a hard time putting any type of credit on their credit report. They're in the 500s. Maybe they don't have any positive information and they just want to start getting some positive stuff on their credit report to start building their credit report. The foundation when you're building is important. What you put on your credit report, how do you use it to continue to build your credit report while you're trying to get these negative items off your credit report. You can do both at the same time. Build your credit, remove the negative items, and that's when you really see the big jumps in your credit score. And these tools are stuff that I think are great tools for you to use, and we're going to get into it. But first, you know the deal. We got to talk about all my new subscribers coming to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Please like and subscribe the channel, please, so we can continue to grow, bring the good content out to you. It's so important for me to bring you this information, and hopefully you appreciate the information that I'm giving you, and you're hitting the thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, I give free credit analysis. I do all of that stuff to check your credit, to give you some insight. All that is free. If you need a free credit analysis, shoot me an email. I have a master dispute package with all this information in, everything that you need to do to build and remove negative items. All the different strategies is in that package. So if you're interested, shoot me an email, go to my website, let me know, I will answer. And most time, even when you buy the package, you have my information, and I'm still here to help you through your process. It's just for me, giving back to you. You supported the channel, you bought the package. I'm still going to be there for you. I'm not just going to leave you astray. So it's important for me, and I like to bring value to what I'm giving to you. So if you do that, if you're at a point where you say, hey, are you looking for an authorized user, shoot me an email. I have authorized user cards for you that would definitely help build your credit report. I mean, even up to about $20,000. So let me know. I know how they put these authorized user cards on your credit report. I've already done it for a couple clients. They can vouch for it, and they've raised their scores tremendously. So if you're interested, another tool that you can talk to me about, and shoot me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But let's get into these tools. The first thing we're going to talk about is Chime. Chime is a credit card that you can do to especially help build. It's a great credit building tool. No annual fees, no credit check to apply. And that's great because now you're not getting these inquiries steady put on your credit report to say you're seeking a lot of new credit, right? Because sometimes all the inquiries can stop you because they think you're seeking too much credit too fast. No security deposit is required, and they report to all three. Great tool, great way to put some positive information on your credit report. Definitely something you want to do if you're trying to build your credit. Some side notes. When we do these secure cards, try to put the biggest amount you can. I always tell people at least 500 or more, because remember, if you hold a balance on and it's over 30%, it could hurt you more than help you, right? Because it shows that you're overextended. So especially when you're trying to build, keep that utilization low. Keep it low. So pay your bill on the statement date, not the due date. Find out when they produce the statement, when they report, and a day or two before that statement is produced, pay as much as you can or pay it totally off. Right. Next one we're gonna talk about is Kickoff. Now, Kickoff has two products that you can use. So we're going into three products you could throw on your credit report right now. One is a line of credit. Only thing, and they give you a line of credit up to $750. The only thing about it, you have to buy their products, right? The only thing about it. But you're in a credit building, so you got to go with what it is for you to get that on your credit report, to get some good reporting. It's not something you need to do forever. It's just a building tool for now. Then they have a secure card, right? Same thing, try to put as much as you can on that secure card. So if you have to use it or you do use it, then you'll keep that utilization low. And you also, if you open up an account with them with that secure card and it's direct deposited after 3 months, they would deposit an additional $200 in your account. So if it's something you want to do to help build, that is another great tool. Now we're moving to number three. Number three is self-lender. A lot of people talk about self-lenders. A lot of people know about it, but it is a great tool. And what that is like an installment loan. So remember, you put in a credit card, you have a couple of credit cards, now you got an installment loan. Now you're developing a credit report with different lines of credit so that you can handle different types of credit. Right? So you can set it up as low as $25 up to $150, and you set it up for 12 months. You pay on it every month. It report to all three. No credit check. You can set up auto pay, and you can cancel at any time. At the end of your 12 months, there's a small fee that self-lender is going to charge you, and then you can take all the money back out. Do what you want to do. Add it if you haven't built your credit, you can add it to a secure card to increase the credit limit on it or whatever you need to do with it. But that is now we're up to 4 tools that you could throw on your credit report with bad credit, right? And you're trying to build. The next one that we're going to talk about is the credit builder card. This is another card. No credit check. It's a secure card. You have to put a deposit of at least $200, and they report to all three. Now, well, up to 5 things that you can throw in your credit report with bad credit. Then you have Credit Strong. You can add $500 to $1,000 of a line of credit that report to all 3 credit bureaus. You can add monthly payments to those cards to increase your utilization. It is so much. Make 3 on-time payments in a row, and they will increase your credit limit from 100 up to 1,000 to improve your utilization. It's a great another credit builder. Well, up to 6 things that you can put on your credit report with bad credit and you're having a hard time. So there are tools out there. The next one is Lockbox. Lockbox is another one, but it's a savings account that reports to the credit bureaus. And what it is, it's like an installment loan. You could set it up for how much you're going to make a payment on it. Great tool. Lockbox, right? Now, what is the kicker? What is the kicker for all of these things, right? I'm going to tell you what the kicker is. And next, you have Grain. Grain is one, if you're an iPhone user, that you could go on. It links to your bank account. It's a great tool that you can use that uses your banking information, and they report to all 3. I did it just to see how it worked before I be promoting it. Another great tool that you can use. Now we're up to 7 things that you can put on your credit report. Literally can put all that on your credit report in 1 month. Because no credit checks, none of that. You could put all that on your credit report in 1 month, right? And then the kicker of all is an authorized user. Now that you got these things, find somebody that can give you a great card that you can piggyback off to throw in there. Something with at least 5 years of payment history and a very low balance, under 10%. You will see an amazing jump, literally a jump over 100 points on your credit report. Just that simple, right? But at the same time, if you have those negative items, you need to be getting those items removed. I have tons of videos on strategies of deletions, collections, all that. Check them out. Or get my Master Dispute package. Tons of information. But if you're trying to raise your credit score and you definitely have bad credit, this is the way to jumpstart your credit report fast, without inquiries, without a lot of different things that throw in your credit, seeing that you're seeking out a whole bunch of credit. So definitely check out these different tools to add to your credit report. If you have any other questions, I appreciate you. This is Lad with the best credit repair channel. We're going to continue to bring a whole bunch. I got some investment videos that I need to be bringing out. There's so many buying opportunities, especially for new investors. I like to talk to the people that don't invest. There's so many channels out there talk to people they've been investing and investing and investing, but we have a ton of people that have never invested that need to know, how do I get started? What do I invest in? Great opportunity out there. There's a lot of great stocks that are at all-time lows for haven't been at these price points for years. Opportunity to get in them because the stock market will change, and a lot of people that miss this opportunity is going to be so mad at themselves because they didn't take the time to jump in when it was a great opportunity to jump in and make some money. So we're going to be talking about some more of these investment videos, but I appreciate y'all. Thank you for all y'all. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up. Again, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. And I'm out.